What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send or transfer crypto from Binance to a Revolut app. Now the process is same for both desktop and mobile. So let's get started. Now first off, to receive crypto on Revolut, you would need to open up your Revolut app and get the crypto address from the cryptocurrency that you would like to transfer from Binance to Revolut. So once you open up your Revolut app, go over to the crypto tab right here. And here go to the search bar and search for the cryptocurrency that you would like to receive. So let's say USDT. Now just select the first option, the USDT one that we search for. And here on the cryptocurrency screen, you would just need to select these three dots right here. Now, once this little menu loads up, go ahead and click the Receive option. And here we have a choice between three different networks, so Ethereum, Tron, and Polygon. Now, if you want to save up on trading fees, you can just go ahead and select Polygon, and that's what I will do. Now just click Got It. This is just a disclaimer that you need to be on the same network, so just go ahead and click Got It. And now we would finally be able to copy our Polygon address to receive USDT. Now once you have your address copied, exit the Revolut app and open up Binance. So on Binance, I assume that you already have some USDT or the currency that you would like to transfer to Revolut. So go over to your Assets tab right here and select USDT, because that's the one that we selected on the receiver end. Now, once you selected the USDT option or whichever crypto you would like to transfer, go over to the withdraw option right here and select via crypto network. Now just go ahead and paste the address that we copied right here, and the network should automatically be selected. So in my case, because this is Ethereum related network, I will just select it manually. Now just be sure that you select the same network as you did on the receiver end, aka in the Revolut app. So we need to select Polygon because that's what we chose in the Revolut app. Now we would need to select the amount. So in the Revolut app it said that the minimum receiver amount is $5, so I will just input 5 and just go ahead and click withdraw. Now I don't have 5 USDT on the Binance currently, but once you click withdraw, you would just need to confirm the transaction by your password, PIN or biometrics, and once you confirm the transaction, it will be submitted to the blockchain and then you will receive it on your Revolut app right here. So that's guys how you can transfer crypto from Binance to Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.